Okay, so welcome to the Derek Show, and now I'm going to show you through the debugger how my WebSocket plugin works with a WebSocket service that I also included with this package. So it was designed for Unity3D, as you can see by the IDE here, the Integrated Development Environment here. So I'm starting it in the debugger, so we can step through the code and see how it works. Yes, taking a little bit of time to start up. It's always like this, Unity, but it's in debug mode. So here's the code for the service, and this is the code for the WebSocket service. This would be hosted in cloud. I put in my example, I put in a Docker container to make it easy if you wanted to deploy it to the cloud. See, it'll wait when I try to request a WebSocket connection. And this is my plugin, the communication manager here. And I'm just waiting for it. Here. So as you can see, I try to make a connection, right? So it picked it up in the service now. And then now we go to create socket there and give it a unique ID. That's the GUID, as you can see from the debugger. So now we have an open WebSocket connection and ready to receive messages. So now we go to here, the listener. This is when, so as you can see, we're going to send a message now. Okay, go through, and I put in a singleton just to lock it. I mean, just to make sure I don't try to send two messages at the same time. So I took a JSON message, serialized it. Now I run it. Done transmitting it. Let's see what happens now on this. Now, as you can see, the service received it. We're in the process message now on the service. Let's go in. It takes it and deserializes it. Well, converts it, decodes it, right? And that's the message. Simple, very simple JSON, and I basically send it the session that was assigned, the session ID or GUID assigned to this connection. So I just check to see what's in it. So this is the basic case. Right, I send it the session ID, said before. Okay, so yeah, now I'll step through this code and I'll fire this event on message processed. It's ready to send, and here is a push, right? So it just checks to see who do I have to push it to. That's the for loop for. Now I only have one connection in this case, so I only push it to one, basically one client. Okay, and I send it based on the unique identifier associated with the socket. Okay, so I send it. That's it. So now let's see what's going on in my Unity plugin. So, oh, looks like the event is fired. So we received the message, right? And there it is. It has the same session ID, the GUID, that the server assigned to it. So we know, okay, it got the message, the data from the server. And there it is. It displays it now on the Unity debug panel there, right? Not on the display panel there. Now, here I just to prove, I took that I built it as a UWP app and I deployed it to my Xbox One. As you can see my reflection in my TV there. That's my that's a picture of my baby daughter when she was 1 year old on the top right corner. Sorry, I forgot to take it down, but anyways, there I am. So I'm sure. Yeah, sorry about the blurry here, but this is basically the Xbox on the Xbox. So I'm running it in debug mode. So I have to press the Xbox controller, get back stay OK. Now it goes to made by Unity, and that was the splash screen. So here's the demo, and I also already made the connection to the service I had on the cloud, the Amazon cloud, and there you have it. So thank you. And if you're interested in my plugin, I'll put the link to its location in the Unity 3D Asset Store so you can download it and take a look at the sample code that I included with it. Okay. Thanks very much and have a great day.